Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone 17 and 17 Pro not turning on. Alright, let's begin. First, perform a force restart using the button combination. Press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it for about 10 to 20 seconds. During this time, the screen may remain black, but eventually the Apple logo should appear. Once the logo appears, release the power button and allow the phone to restart normally. If the Apple logo does not appear, the issue may be a drained battery. Plug your iPhone into a charger and leave it for a few minutes. After charging for a while, try the same button combination again. This should help the screen turn back on. If it still does not work, you may need to contact Apple support for further help. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone 17 and 17 Pro not turning on. That's it for this video. Thanks.